Uria wari munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua, mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na mutongoria wa DAP Eugene Wamalwa ni gatagati ka atongoria aria mekinyite igongona-ini ria mathiko ma mutungatiri Joseph Kitenge kaunti-ini ya Machakos. Atongoria aya makiorota kiria marauga ni thirikari itari na mwerekera na itaiguithanitie na mabataro ma muingi.
A nation gets developed when the leader of that nation puts the national interest ahead of commercial interest. That is the answer. Uongoze Kenya, hapana weka biashara kwake. Kidu ukiweka biashara tunakwama. We have a responsibility, Bishop, also to give hope to our people.
If we are guided by the principles and values under Constitution 2010, then there will never be political killings, there will be political tolerance, and people, men and women, will bring out the best in them without fear.
When you bring policies that are not properly researched, you are gambling with the life of a nation. You are gambling with the development of a nation. When we had great leadership, a leader called Mwai Kibaki, we saw good leadership under these great leaders. We saw good policies that transformed our country.
Maugete no marathie na mbere na gwethagathaga kũũmba ngwatanĩro iria kũringana nao ikarehe kihonia kuri bururi.
Tumesikiza Wakenya wanasema tupangane, tutafute serikali mpya mzuri ya kusaidia Kenya, na hiyo tunafanya na huyu kiongozi wenu Kalonzo Musyoka, huyu Eugene Wamalwa, George Natembea, Fred Matiang'i, Rigiji yako hapo jikoni ndio na chora maneno. And I want to assure the people of Kenya, we have a formula to give you good leadership.
Moretie kanitha ikorwo iri maitho ma muingi na igateithiriria kwanirira thirikari hindi ria yothe yogoma.
We have a responsibility ourselves as the church to stand for the people of Kenya. Parliament has been captured. The opposition has been compromised. There is nobody remaining to speak for the people of Kenya unless the Church of Christ does so. Kwa hivyo, wachungaji wetu, you have to step in that role.
Let the church be given its space. Let the church breathe. Because we have some people who are trying to suffocate the church with different things. Kanisa ipatiwa nafasi, i-breathe.
Ngirifotra Inoro TV, Gachagua Gathoni, Wajihia.